Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna review, demo and do swatches for the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy palette. So if you're interested in that, please stick around. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on all my social media accounts. And please keep on watching. Okay, so here's how the packaging of the palette looks like. It's a shiny cardboard packaging with gold foil on it. At the back we have the ingredients and how the palette looks like. It's cruelty free, so that's good. So this is how the palette itself looks like. It's all glitter, pink glitter with gold glitter on the Amrezy and Anastasia Beverly Hills writing. And we have inside a nice mirror here and this plastic cover for the shadows. And as always in the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palettes, there is double-ended brushes. So this side is for blending and this one is for packing. It's more of a flat side. So here's how the palette looks like. I really love the color story of this palette. But if you have any of the other Anastasia palettes, you can skip this one. This one has similar shades to like Modern Renaissance, like Soft Glam and Norvina colors. So I don't have any of these palettes, so that's why I decided to buy this palette. And this one has, I think, 2 extra pans. So the other ones are, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 16 shades. I think the other ones has like 14, but I decided to get this one as my first Anastasia palette because I love the color story of this one. Let me swatch all the colors and after that we're gonna create a look. Okay, so starting from the top row on the left hand side, we have Wasted, which is a light pink shimmer. Barb is like a duochrome shimmery pink. Litty, which is a rose gold glitter. Cupcake is a shimmery violet kind of color. Dragon, which is a gold shimmer. And then Leo, which is a bright blue shimmer. Gemini is kind of a deep gold glitter with like some black reflect to it. And then Gorgina or Georgina is like this bronzy beautiful shade. Then on the bottom row from the left hand side we have Resi, which is a shimmery pink. Anastasia, which is a shimmery pinky gold. New Yorker and OG are 2 matte medium brown shades, and according to the swatch they are really quite similar. Then we have Samsa, which is like a matte plum color. 1988 is a matte deep brown. BK is a matte black, and Yugo is a very dark matte burgundy shade. So I'll try to stick to the medium brown shades here, like New Yorker and OG. And for shimmer I'm gonna use Dragon, this one, this gold color. So let's actually jump in. I'm gonna try to use the brush that came with it. It seems fluffy, so I'm gonna try it. So I'll start with New Yorker, this shade. I'm gonna run it through my crease and be careful, it's really pigmented and there's a little bit of kickback in the pan. Not sure if you can see. Let me try and do that on camera. Can you see how it comes off really hard? So I tapped off the excess. I'm gonna start running that through my crease. So it's not the best brush I've used, but it's not that bad. So I'm actually gonna take one of my brushes. It's a bigger, fluffier brush so that I can run this color through my crease and buff it out like this. So for a matte color, it blends seamlessly. I love it so far. Yeah, it's really nice. And I'm gonna do the same on the other side. I'll try to keep it low key this time. I'm not gonna go extra like what I did in the Huda Beauty look, which I'm gonna link up here. Okay, with a smaller brush, I'm gonna take this like chocolate brown shade 1988. I'm gonna put it on the outer corner. So it's the same, it has a lot of kickback in the pen, so just barely touch it. And I'm gonna add it to the outer corner like this. And buff it out with the other color to remove any harsh lines. So this one also blends really well for a dark matte shadow. I like this one so much. I'm gonna try to build it up a little bit here on the outer corner. So that's how we're looking like. There's no patchiness at all for a dark brown color. It's blending very easily. I'm gonna take a fluffier brush and buff that out with the New Yorker color. Okay, I'll try the flat side of the brush that came with the palette first. I'm gonna take this shade Georgina, this one. I'm gonna put it right next to the brown shade here, just to blend it with the other shimmer that we're gonna use. Yeah, this brush, because it's fluffy, not like a packing brush, so it's shearing out the shimmers. I'm gonna try a more flat brush like this, and I'll try to use it to pack on the color. It looks like this shade is pressed hard on the pan. Yeah, it's not the same. Actually, let me try my ring finger. So the shade looks like this. And I'm gonna add that here. Yeah, see how it's more intense now? That's much better. So I'm gonna add that here and on this side as well. And I'm gonna go in with Dragon now, which is gold shimmer, on the inner part of my eyes. I'm gonna go in with my finger and add that. Wow, that's so pigmented. I'm gonna go back and blend all the colors together now, but I'm gonna pack that on first. I love how intense this shade is. I'll take a clean brush and I'm gonna diffuse all the shades together. Yeah, I'm loving this look. I really do. Okay, for the lower lash line, I'm probably gonna do what I did on top, but without the shimmer. So I'm gonna take New Yorker again, the first shade that we used, this one, and I'm gonna run it under my eyes like this and smoke it out. And try to connect it with the outer corner of my eye. And then I'll take the brown shade that we used and run it really close to my lower lash line. And I'll keep it to the outer corner only. I'll take a small brush and I'll take this shade Wasted, and I'm gonna highlight my brow bone with that. Picks up a lot of color, as you can see, so I'll tap off the excess and run that on my brow bone. I really like it for highlighting the brow bone. And I'm gonna highlight my inner corner as well with the same color. Okay, so this is the finished eye look. I'm gonna go now finish off my makeup, and after that I'm gonna give you my rundown on my first impression of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy palette. So there you have it, guys. This is the finished look. So my first impression about this palette is that I love it so much. I love the color story. I've only used this shade, this shade, this shade, and this shade, and I think they went great for dark mattes. It was easy to blend, and the shimmers went on really great and shiny, as you can see. And I'm gonna use it more to test out all the rest of the colors. So let me know in the comments if you have this palette or any of the ABH palettes, the Norvina, the Soft Glam, and Modern Renaissance. Let me know what you think of them, and would you buy this one if you have the other ones, or if you don't have, would you still buy this one? Let me know in the comment section down below. I thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!